It's going?
Yes.
What's up, guys? We're going to talk about hand care today. So, occasionally folks will come up and ask, hey, I'm ripping, or pull-ups are hurting my hands, or whatever it is. So we're going to talk about some callus care stuff. I believe that I have the patented tried and true system that's going to allow you to maintain your calluses and not rip. So we're going to kind of zoom in here and take a look at what's going on. So the primary tool that you're going to need is one of these pair of cuticle trimmers. Okay, so this is really important because what it allows you to do is actually grab a bit of skin, and this is all the dead callus skin, and just kind of snip that off a little bit, okay? So what you're left with as you go through this is you'll end up with kind of like little wavy ridges. So what you want to do, just imagine this is a file, is then file that down, okay? Next thing you want to do, once you get basically all of them, all the little pads kind of clipped down, pinch, raise, clip, okay, is then when you get into the shower, this is super important. You get, hot water and all the skin starts to it gets like white and it wants to come off and stuff. Take like a shower pumice stone and file that all down, and then what you'll be left with, instead of big raised, sort of like crunchy, dry calluses, is smooth, leathery, supple, supportive calluses that just won't rip, okay? From there, I recommend lotion. Not excessively, because then when you come and try and work out, obviously it's slippery, but like maybe first thing in the morning after you shower or after you've already worked out, so that you know that it's not going to compromise your hands, okay? So all you need, one of these little nippy guys, like a standard nail file, and then something for the shower, and you'll be all set and good to go. Feel free to ask questions. That's about it. Thanks for watching.
Just kind of two things.
Yep.
So a couple, or two other things is, other thing people forget when they use chalk. Chalk's gonna dry your hands like crazy. So if you just finish, I don't really have chalk in my hands, but if you just finish working out, wash your hands off, put some lotion on kind of ideally immediately, just to keep your hands nice and soft. If you have chalk in your hands just constantly throughout the day, you're gonna dry out and they're gonna crack. And cracks can lead to more pain when you're doing pull-ups, or it can limit your pull-up stuff. You're limit the amount of time you can do pull-ups because it hurts. But also just think of it like this: when you have big calluses, if you are setting yourself up for ripping because they get so big and they're pinching on the pull-up bar, there's really no amount of pull-ups or no set of pull-ups, there's no magic thing of pull-ups you can do that would be better than the lost time that you're going to get from ripping your hands, if that makes sense. So if I do an amazing set of pull-ups and I rip my hands and I can't do pull-ups for another 7 days, it would have been much more beneficial for me to be able to do pull-ups those 7 days, or at least work my pull-up in some fashion, as opposed to not be able to touch the bar because my hand hurts so much. So, yeah.
All sort of a long way of saying is there really is no glory in ripping your hands. Take care of your hands. If they don't rip, you'll be able to train. You'll be much happier, I promise. All right, guys. Thanks for watching. Hit us up with any questions. We'll see you next time.